All right, today is the 26th of May, day after Memorial Day. It's Tuesday, first trading day of the week, and I am actually down $551 on the day, losing 2 trades. Really unlucky day. Really hard day for me, honestly. Like, this was just one of the most frustrating days I've ever had, honestly, in the markets, because it wasn't like I didn't understand where price was going. Like, obviously we're going for these highs, but it's just like my levels just did not work at all. And that was the main problem. Bro, I just turned off the magnet. Why does it turn back on? My levels just did not work, and I mean, you'll see why. So I was obviously bullish. I mean, this was some crazy movement in Asia session. And, I mean, we do have this new week opening gap down here, but I just did not see this getting hit. Like, news was bullish. Price was bullish. Like, everything was just very, very bullish. Now, I knew if we did get down into this zone, this would be an amazing long from down here. I think this was also... Yeah, so this would be an amazing long. We didn't end up getting down there. But... yeah, I mean, these, like, highs, it's pretty clear. We've got 30,000 right here. We're clearly gunning for 30K here. And I was figuring, we'd probably hit it if we went up immediately in this session. So, what ends up happening is we make this range. And I think, did we hit value area low? Yeah, I think we did. Yeah, so here we go. This is the 5-minute range. This was the low, and then this was the high. Now, the 5-minute range, it's been giving us, really good reactions, like I've been saying. But today, it did not. Today was rather unfortunate. So we're at value area low here. We're starting to reverse. And we're ripping. This is a nice reaction. Obviously, it doesn't... I'm not taking anything here. So this is the first kind of trade I wanted to take, was basically off of this. So there was a low volume node right here. And it was right above this 5-minute high. Wanted to take a trade from here. And let's see what happens. So, okay, so right here, so I did enter this here. Oh my gosh, stop, please, dude. So I did enter this here. Why did I enter this? I looked at this candle. I saw this 13K big, scary candle coming in. And I was like, I was honestly kind of hesitating on this. And I probably should have not taken this, because this candle does... it is pretty scary for a long here, but I did see sellers get absorbed right here. So a lot of selling getting absorbed, and I did go ahead and just enter this right here. I mean, this is a qualified setup, right? We have, we have the 5-minute, getting tested. We got sellers absorbed under. We break back above it. This is a good setup. This low volume node, it didn't really give any reaction. Maybe that was the key that I shouldn't have entered, because we did rip through the low volume node. But I do get stopped out on this. This was the first trade. And after this just rips. And I was looking at this after, and I was thinking, like, where could I have entered? Like, honestly, this re-entry is pretty good. I mean... I don't know. Could I have re-entered? Maybe, but I don't know. Either way, I got barely stopped out, and then it ripped. So that was unfortunate. The 5-minute, it did not give us the resistance we wanted. And after that, we take this high. And now I'm just going to speed through the rest of this. I stayed on the charts, honestly, way too long today. I was pretty frustrated by this. And I was just looking for another trade, and yeah, let's see. Where's the 30-minute? This was the top of the 30-minute. So I really wanted another trade. I really wanted longs, right? Like I just really wanted longs, and I probably should have just maybe gotten off at this point because I was basically looking for longs everywhere on this retrace that we get. So we start getting this retrace here, and the first place I was looking for longs obviously is very high. I'm not going to go through my whole thought process because this was just a long process of just trying to find a long and not finding one. And this here was like kind of the next area I was considering because we actually ended up getting a pretty good reaction off this 30-minute. I didn't take this. Obviously, it's not enough to take, but eventually I do take a trade. And so here, this is what I wanted to happen. We actually take this low and we get a CVD. So this is looking pretty good for me. The one thing I didn't really like was that we do kind of have value area low here. This is this makes sense, you know, for us to retrace to value area low. And this 30-minute is still not really providing enough for an entry. But I do end up taking an entry here. It's coming up here. And so we actually get another CVD here, and this is where I take my entry. So again, low gets taken, doesn't get taken on here, and we're already in a CVD. Like this is pretty good. And then we break above. So it was on this break back above that I took my entry. And you can already see it's not really going too well. Yeah, so another CVD. And then I just get stopped out like right after this, I think. Yeah, right there. Just get stopped out. I mean, I'm not going to lie. I was like so... Like, I would have been break even at this high, right? Like, I almost was break even on this trade. And this was like not a bad entry. Like, I don't think it was a bad idea for a trade. Like, we do have, you know, sellers absorbed. We do have a lot of buyers coming in. Why did this fail? Like, I'm not really too sure. Again, this 30-minute level, it just is not working. It gets a nice reaction here, but it's really just not working here. And yeah, basically, I took another loss there and was done for the day after that one. Now, is this probably going to go up? Honestly, probably, but like, oh my gosh, dude. Like, I don't know. Maybe we got news or something. I was not really looking at news at this point, but this, I just feel like it shouldn't be retracing this much. Let's see if we hit value area low. We actually do hit value area low. Do we get a CVD? Wow, that's some nice absorption. See, like, why are we still going down? We have the 5-minute here. I never would have taken a short here. Like, this is just... I don't know. This does not look like a short to me, but we're just still going down and down and down and down. Like, what is going on? Now, maybe I'd be looking for shorts because we're outside of the session value area low. Wait, no, we're still in this, dude. Now we're going up? What? What are we reacting off of here? What is this reaction? I don't even know. Like, I feel like the levels today, they're just not doing anything. Where are we going from here? I have no idea. This is where we are now. So, yeah, I mean, honestly, like, I have no idea. Like, this is too deep of a retrace for all-time highs. Like, maybe we are just going to straight up go down from here, and we'll go down to this gap. Or this, like, down here. Like, I have no idea. I'm not surprised I took 2 losses today, because this is one of those days where I just have no idea where I mean, this was pretty clear. It was pretty clear, like, before the market opened where we were going, but now it's like, I mean, if we didn't react here or even off value area low of the session, like, I have no idea where we're going to go. This is just ridiculous. So that's the day. Yeah, I'm only trading. I don't know how much I'll be trading. I'll definitely trade tomorrow, but I'm going on vacation the rest of this week, so I don't know if I'll really be trading, unfortunately. This is not a great start to this week, so hopefully tomorrow, I mean, I can definitely make this back in one trade. Like, a 2-hour trade for me is not really too crazy, so We'll see. We'll see. We'll see if we can get some better reactions tomorrow.